Hey guys, CG Booth here. In today's video, we'll be making a really easy and simple low poly X that is made entirely for Blender beginners. So let's get right into it. So you're gonna want to start off uh by downloading this image. So I left a link in the descriptions so you can come in this page and then right click and download. So let's start off by pressing A, X, then delete, and then go to side view. Then drag in the X image and then G to move just right there. Then Shift A, add a cylinder, go here, and then make the vertices thing 8, and then R, rotate, then just move it down the bottom, S to scale, there we go, and then press Alt, select these edges, and then E, extrude it a little, then S, 0. Now press A, select them, and then press M and add center. So they're all one vertex. Then Alt select them, go there, then I to insert, and then E to extrude. It doesn't have to look exactly like the image, so move it a little up, then E, S, E, E to extrude, and then S to scale, extrude it up more. So just ignore that part, we're gonna add the details at the end. So then E, S, just a little, then E, extrude, E, S, then extrude it up more till the end, then extrude it, S, and extrude. Now let's add this part. So Shift A, add a plane, R, Y, then 90. Now go there, rotate it, then S scale, just till it's like on this, and then add a solidify modifier, uh, there, and then make it like for 0.49, that'd work, 48, then Control R, press 1, then G to move, but just right there, this, there we go, then just line it up, uh, then extrude, E, S, then E, there. Now, let's just put it in as X. Now let's add some details. So, get these, select these faces, then G, X, wait, E. Just first, apply the solidify. modifier, then SX, then Control R, then SX. There. Now select that vertex and then Control Shift B to edit, bevel it like this. Bevel the vertex. Now add some details. Kind of make it look ancient. So now let's make it like look like it's kind of broken. So go to side view, press K, and select these. Right click, then go to the other side. There. Right click and then just connect it. Enter. Now press X, then faces. Now press 1 and then select these vertex. Then press F. Let's just delete this image because we don't need it anymore. Now select these two, then F, then just connect it. Now with the other side, there. So let's now do it somewhere else. Like there. Now enter. 3. Select these faces. Delete. Press 1. Select these two faces. Then F. Press 2. Then connect them. There we go. Now let's put some textures to it. Material. So press C, hold Z, and then go to material preview. Now let's make this kind of black. Let's get the metallic bit up and the roughness down. Now for the stone, let's make it gray. And then for these parts, let's make it like wood. So add a new one. Then make it red. Then dark. Now assign and get these. Then assign. There we go. So let's just move this a little like that. There. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed and learned something new. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.